Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Aman Tripathi of class 8. I study in Delhi School of Excellence, LEAC. Today I am here to show you an experiment in guidance of our biology teacher Miss Amina ma'am. So let's start. Here first we need some ingredients, and the ingredients are two balloons, two medium sized balloons, a matchbox with some matchsticks in it, a candle and a steel glass. First, we have to place this candle in this glass. I have placed, and then we have to burn this matchstick. I have burned it. Here I have burned it, and now we have to blow up this balloon. I have already blown this balloon. Here is this, and we have to wear a glass to protect our eyes from the bursting. And when we place this balloon in upside of the balloon bursted. And why the balloon bursted? The balloon bursted because the balloon bursted because of the heat, because the balloon has stretched molecules, and of the heat the molecules more stretched, and that's why the balloon bursted. And in the second, we have to burn the flame again. Here I am burning. Here the flame is burned, and now next step, we have to blow this balloon and fill some water. Here I have already done it. Balloon, some water in it and some air in it. You can see level of water is low and the air is more. Now we have to place this balloon in upside of this flame. Here I am placing. We have to leave it for some time till the candle stop burning. Here we can say that now here we can say the candle stop burning. Now when we lift up this balloon, see what happens. The glass is lifting up with it. The glass is hanging with the full pressure of with the help of this balloon. Now why this glass hang? Because first, why this balloon did not burst? This balloon did not burst because it contained water in it. The water absorbs the heat of the candle and it does not let the balloon to burst. And second thing, why this glass hang up? The glass hang up because of the atmospheric pressure around this glass. And here we can say our experiment is successful. Thank you.
Friend, my name is Soumya Mama. I stay in class 8. Today I am going to perform an activity. So in this activity I have to take some ingredients. So I am going to tell you the ingredients. These are not the ingredients. So next you have to take a 1-inch candle, a tumbler should be transparent, a protective goggles to protect your eyes, a matchstick, some little water as you can see, and balloon. So first step you have to do is that you have to put the candle inside the glass tumbler. Next you have to burn the matchstick. Protect your hands. As you can see, the candle is burned up. Next you have to do is that you have to blow up the balloon. I have blown it earlier as you can see here. Then you have to wear the goggles. Then you have to burn them. See, it burst. Now you have to take a balloon filled with little water as you can see here. Then you have to put that, as you can see, after some time the candle returns off. Now if you put up the balloon, the glass also hangs up here. As you can see, our experiment is successful. Thank you.
Hello friends and good evening ma'am. This is Ayush Mishra of class 8th and today I will show you my biology activity that the materials are required for it. That is a steel glass and a 1 inch candle, minimum 2 balloons and a matchstick. So first step we have to give that we have to take candle and take it in the glass and we have to burn it. So as you can see that that the candle has started burning and we have to then now we have to take a balloon. So and just take a glass and wear it. So finally I have wear a glass and taken a balloon and we will take it on the glass and it will blast. Okay, so as you can see that it is just blast. So as you can see the result what happens with it. So after that we have to take a balloon with some one glass water in it and just bloom it. After the blast of the balloon, we have to take a balloon with fill of one glass water. Then we have to again light the candle and when it burn, we have just take it as at here and just push it, push it. Then take it here. You can see the result. And thanks for watching my biology activity.
Swangi Chaudhary. I study in class 8. My school name is Delhi School of Excellence. I am going to conduct an experiment. In this experiment, you have some material like matchbox and goggles to protect your eyes, candle, 2 balloon. 1 balloon are filled with water and 1 are only gas. First of all, we put the candle on the glass and burn the candle. I'm going to only gas balloon. To protect your eyes, the only gas was balloon's blast, and I'm again burn the candle. And this balloon are 1/4 filled with water. Now let's start. The balloon are near and near to the glass. I am going to put the balloon on the glass. Wait some time. The fire was extinguished to the loss of air. When we take a balloon, the glass was stick with balloon like this due to loss of air pressure inside the glass.
Hello everyone, this is Ambikram Pal of class 8. I am here to present an activity that was asked by our biology teacher Miss Amna. Material required for this activity is 1 steel glass tumbler, matchstick, candle, balloon and sunglasses. Use sunglasses for safety measurement. Then first of all we have to cut the candle from its bottom by 1 inch and we have to burn the candle with matchstick. And then we have to take the balloon that is filled with air and put the balloon on the steel glass tumbler. See, the balloon is bursted and the candle is fluid off. And then we have to again burn the candle and wear the glass for safety measurement. Then we have to take the balloon filled with water and put the balloon on the steel glass tumbler. Put the balloon filled with water until the candle will flew off. And see, the glass is raised into air. So our experiment is successful. Thank you.